Learning how to safely make an anchor point transition on a Via Ferrata is key. First, make a full stop. As a rule, never do an anchor point transition in motion. After stopping, search for a stable resting position. This will help you to do the motions with less risk of losing control or of getting too tired. When ready, with only one arm, disconnect one of the carabiners of the elasticated arms of your Via Ferrata set. Never disconnect both carabiners at the same time. Observe that while this elasticated arm is now disconnected, the other one remains connected. Through this system, it is how you always, at any time, are safely connected to the safety steel cable of the Via Ferrata. Connect back the carabiner right next to the anchor. Make sure it is properly connected. With the same arm, disconnect now the other carabiner of the other elasticated arm of your Via Ferrata set. Again, while this elasticated arm is disconnected, the other one stays connected, keeping you safe. Connect this right next to the other carabiner and make sure it looks in the opposite direction. With this, you concluded your anchor point transition on a Via Ferrata.